So we're going to use fresh tomatoes today and anchovies. I'm using tagliatelle. As you can see, you can use any pasta you want. This is really simple and absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 1 cup here of onions, 3 cups of fresh tomatoes, about 4 cups of pasta. I'm using tagliatelle. You can use a different pasta if you want. Some dried whole red chili there, 1, 2, 3. Adjust that if you want. That's not a huge amount, if you ask me. And if you don't have whole ones, you could use some chili flakes or chili powder, cayenne pepper, something like that. A tablespoon of garlic, and then here's our anchovies. It's this brand here. So it's 2 ounces, 56 grams. Now I'm going to start this dish off with the oil that it comes in. If you've got it in water or something different like that, then you're going to need to add a little bit of oil. Let's get moving. So here's my pan. Just put the heat on. It's above medium heat, fairly high. Just going to get the oil from the anchovies in there now. We're going to add the red chili and the onion. Lively heat, about 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up, we're going to add our garlic, about a tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add some black pepper. We're going to add some salt, but only a little bit, because remember we're putting anchovies in and that's going to be really quite salty. Best that you put a little bit in now and adjust it later once the anchovy goes in. Then we're going to add our fresh tomatoes, about 3 cups of those. Black olives is quite a nice thing to go in this as well, but I'm not going to put it in today. Okay, we're going to cook for 5-6 minutes or so, stirring often. What we want is those tomatoes to cook down. They're going to be our sauce, of course. So you can see that my tomatoes have broken down really nicely, give off a little bit of moisture. If you want, you could add a bit of water to this, bit of white wine to this if you wanted, a bit of stock or something if you want to kind of make it more thin, but I like it just like that. There's my anchovy. I've just sort of broken them up a little bit, you know. 2 minutes stirring this in, and then we're going to add the pasta. We've done it. It's beautiful. Just a couple of minutes there. Now I'm going to get our tagliatelle. I'm going to get that in. Like I said, I'm using tagliatelle today, but if you want, use a different pasta. We're going to work this in for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. We're ready to serve. Beautiful. Okay, there you have it. Super easy and absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe now, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.